Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's March 9, 2023. We're going to talk about Nvidia today. Just give you all a quick price prediction because I'm still bullish in this stock because the market action is telling us that they still want to let price go up. So we can tell that we're still on the right side of the trade in Nvidia. I did an update video on the 1st of March, and this is where the price in Nvidia was trading at when I did the video, and I was telling that I was still bullish into this stock, still looking for the market to trend higher, and that is where we are at today. And recently, I would say the last 3 trading days into the market, Nvidia is telling me that we're still on the right side, because these 2 days here, right here on March the 6th, even here on March the 7th, has been an idea that sellers were there, but for us to see price close on the high of this current last trading day, which is yesterday, tells us that the market is buying up whoever tried to sell their Nvidia out the market. So what we've created right here on this horizontal line of $240, we've already established that this can be an area of seeing sellers, and that has been pretty much what occurred the last 2 trading days. We've seen price in Nvidia try to go down. Someone is trying to get about their position, but the market is there willing to absorb it. They're willing to absorb the selling, and as long as that is maintained, our idea of looking at Nvidia going higher is still on the chart. Now, we're still close to $240, so I don't want you all to think that the market is completely through with selling. We're still there, but from what I'm getting on the chart as of today, as of right now, the market is still willing to buy it. Whoever's trying to sell their stock in the market is still, there's still enough demand and interest on the market in Nvidia to absorb whoever's selling. Now, let's say that today, tomorrow, the buyers leave. Then we will understand that the market is now turning over to once looking for price to go up to price coming down. Just be prepared. But as of right now, the situation is still showing us that the market in Nvidia is going to go up. Take a look at this on the 3-day chart. So on these 2 3-day price bars in Nvidia, look at that. We saw the market here in Nvidia close at the high, and then you see this current last completed 3-day price bar. We did the same thing. This is letting you know that buyers has been buying the selling. Okay, now it doesn't mean that you just need to lay down your laurels and just put your guard down, because like I said, we're still around $240. So yeah, we're not out the woods yet, but what we've seen has been the idea that the buyers are still here. Okay, so I'm gonna point the arrow up to these 3-day price bars to let you know that. Okay, but the only concern is still 240. That's it. I really want us to see price break $240, but these 3-day price bars is telling us that the buyers are here. Now let's say that the next bar comes down on a very wide spread, then all of the buying that has happened up to this point was for nothing. The market is still here weak. Okay, so we're still going to maintain the outlook for Nvidia to trend higher. Okay, but the moment that we begin to see selling overtake the buyers, then we know we may need to jump ship, take the profit that we already have on the forecast, and move on to the next opportunity. Okay, but I would tell you that semiconductors are probably one of the stronger stock sectors in this space right now. We've definitely been seeing, if anything, a lot of the stocks within that sector has been massively been trending higher. And as you guys can tell, a lot of the people on social media, even mainstream, is not talking about how strong those semiconductor stocks are. All you have to do is go ahead and take a look at them, and you'll see, versus another sector. So go ahead and give me your thoughts though. I'm not going to change my price prediction in Nvidia. So go ahead and let me know, what do you guys think though? Do you think we're going to continue to see the price trend higher in Nvidia? Or do you think price is going to go lower all because of this resistance area of 240? See, that's a reason why this market has just been hovering in Nvidia right there. That's the reason why that's been going on. And that's because buyers have been here accumulating. because they're looking for price to continue to go up. That's it. Don't make it complicated. Be careful of anybody that makes it complicated. A clean chart gives you an idea as to who the individual is in terms of how they perceive the market, because they're not being reliant upon any indicators. They're not looking to Twitter. They're not looking to some analyst to get their information. They only pay attention to price, because price is primary. It's the only thing that matters. It's the only thing that is for certain. It's the price and what you're willing to buy and sell it for. That's it. Nothing else matters in the stock market. Come on board and I'll show you more. So subscribe. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.